Furniture pads are a must if you have hardwood or ceramic floors at the house. I absolutely love these. There's enough for everything in the house. They're super easy to apply. You will not need super glue. The adhesive on this is that strong. If you have old felt pads or those old plasticky ones, I suggest remove them, or if they're still decent, put some of these on. They also come with these white transparent pads as well. They apply to pretty much any surface. Now we added them on the dining room table, on our new kitchen island, on the bar stools, and we also got scratches in one of our rooms because the table's plasticky pads had exposed screws. So every time our kids pushed the table, it scratched the surface. And we removed the old pads that were on there. So as you can see, these felt pads are pretty thick, and the adhesive on this is a 3M. Glides super easily across not only super flat surfaces, but our tiles are just a slight off. It also glides over them. There's so many different sizes to choose from and to cut from that you will absolutely not want to keep anything old. Highly recommended, love the price, and there's so many in here that you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching.